The great successful story began with the question always, but not with what, when or where, but only with why. Why do some people transform their dreams into reality while others remain trapped in endless wishing? Why do few people rise above, create extraordinary results and leave a lasting impact on the world? The answer is simple. Success is not a luck. Success is not a talent. Success is a process. Success is a journey built step by step, choice by choice and day by day. Today we will explore the path followed by high achievers, leaders, innovators and champions. So today we all are going to start a journey which name is Purpose to Legacy. Number 1, purpose. Everything began with a purpose. Purpose is more than a goal. So the purpose is the reason behind your action. It is the force that gives meaning to your work and direct your life. Remember, when your purpose is clear, direction lose their power. And the great thing is, obstacle become challenge instead of barriers. And every step forward becomes intentional. Put inside the brain. Without purpose, effort is scattered. And with purpose, effort becomes focused. So write anywhere. Purpose is the foundation of greatness. Number 2, clarity. Once you discover your purpose, you need clarity. Clarity allows you to see where you are and where you want to go. Clarity is the force which transforms uncertainty into direction. Most successful people are not always smarter and clear. But remember, they know their destination. They understand their priority and they make decisions with certainty and confidence. Because clarity creates momentum. So when you know exactly what you want, every action has a meaning. A vision without a plan remains a dream. That's why every achievement requires a blueprint. A blueprint is nothing. A blueprint is your strategy, your roadmap, even your system. It breaks massive goals into manageable steps. Remember, it transforms complexity into simplicity. Remember, the future doesn't happen by the accident. It is designed intentionally. Great results begin with a great blueprint. Number 4, implementation. This is where most people stop. They think, they analyze, they plan, they prepare, but they never act. Implementation where potential become retention and retention converts into reality. Ideas have no value until they are executed. Remember, knowledge has no power until it is applied. The smallest action is more powerful than the greatest intention because implementation creates progress and progress creates confidence. So start today, not start now. Number 5, excellence. No one is born excellent. No one is born extraordinary. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. Every leader was once a learner. Every champion was once a struggler. Excellence is not a perfection. It is a continuous improvement. It is a choice to make better today, not a yesterday. So create the consistency in your action. Put the excellence in your blueprint. Number 6, discipline. Motivation comes and goes. Discipline remains. Discipline is showing up when you don't feel like it. It is a doing what is necessary even when it is difficult. It is always determined by what you do consistently. Small actions repeated daily creates the remarkable outcome. So the discipline is the bridge between goals and achievements. Number 7, resilience. Every journey includes setbacks, failures, rejections, unexpected challenges. Resilience is the ability to continue despite them. It is the strength to rise after every fall, to learn from every mistake, to keep moving when others quit. Remember, resilience doesn't eliminate obstacles. It makes you stronger than them. The people who succeed are not those who never fall. But remember one thing, they are those who never stop. Number 8, results. Eventually, effort produce outcomes. The work begins to show. Progress becomes visual. Goals become achievements. And then results become the evidence of commitment. They are the proof that discipline, excellence and resilience were worth it. Remember again, result tells a story of growth, a story of determination. Number 9, legacy. And then comes the highest level of the success, that is legacy. Legacy is not about worth. It is not about fame. It is about impact and importance. It is about the difference you make in the lives of others, the values you inspire, the example you set, the contribution you leave behind, the result and what you achieve for yourself and for what others are going to remember when you are not on earth. Remember these all golden lines always. Purpose define your mission. Clarity reveals your direction. Blueprint design your path. Implementation transform idea into action. Excellence elevate your ability. Discipline sustain your momentum. Resilience overcomes adversity. Result validate your effort. And legacy ensure your impact. The question is not whether success is possible. The question is whether you are willing to follow the process. Because greatness is never an accident. It is built. Once decision, once action. So your journey starts now. Thank you for your watching. Thanks.